Hi guys, welcome back to Always in High Heels. Today we are going to do a quick tutorial on how to apply foundation with a beauty blender. I have tried applying foundation with my hands, which is gross. So much grime, dirt, bacteria, germaphobe. And I've tried different brushes. I have tried all sorts of different things. And lately I've really been in love with the Beauty Blender. So today I'm going to do a quick tutorial for you on how to apply foundation with a Beauty Blender. And the first step is to make sure that you apply with your Beauty Blender a little bit wet. So I got this one. It was originally black. I've been using it lately and ran it under some water in the sink. It got bigger. Magic. Okay, so you use the black one today because that's what I have been using. And I am using MAC Prolongwear foundation in NC20. So I just apply 2 pumps to the back of my hand and I start from there. So I take my Beauty Blender, tap it in, and I just start applying. The trick with the Beauty Blender, aside from using it wet, their founder in a podcast I listened to mentioned that using a Beauty Blender dry would be like trying to wash your dishes with a dry sponge. Just push everything around, and that's gross. Just tap everything into your face. Get more if you need it. And again, I guess I'm Beauty Blendering my hair. You just tap, tap, tap. The biggest thing here is just to blend. Just blending around. I just get the creases around my nose, my eyes, your mouth, into your ear, your neck. You take the end, get a little bit left, and you get under your eyes. A little more precision there. I think it's pretty difficult to do any makeup around your eyes without going. I don't know why. It just happens. And that is it. Step it in. If for some reason you feel like you didn't get a really great application with your Beauty Blender, if you're a little streaky or something's not sitting right, you could always go back with a light fluffy brush, the cycling brush, just kind of buff it in. But the whole point of the Beauty Blender is to not have to. So that is it. That is how to apply your foundation with a Beauty Blender. Alright guys, thanks for watching Always in High Heels. Thanks for hanging out with me. If you want to see more, if you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. Subscribe, like, follow along. We love sharing with you guys. So thanks for hanging out with us. We'll see you again soon.